Welcome back to D&D and VPP, and we're going to talk a little bit about license management. Now, there are two types of apps that are available in the App Store. There is some that are revocable and some that are not revocable. Typically, we see that books are non-revocable. That means you assign it once to a user and that's it. That you can never reassign it again. For most apps that you would find in like the iOS App Store or Mac App Store, they tend to be revocable. And what that means is you can kind of play with the licenses a little bit on the back end. So say you have 6 licenses total for your application and you have 10 devices. Well, only 6 of those devices at a time can be licensed, but you can move those licenses around to other devices. So if you have a device that is being turned in because it's broken or needs repairs, you can remove the license from that device. It can be sent off to Apple, and the loaner device given to the student or the employee can use one of those licenses. By revoking it for that one computer as it goes off to repair, you're freeing up a license to be reassigned to another user. Not all things are revocable. Books especially are the ones where you have to purchase the amount that you need for each individual. These tend to be tied to users, not devices. So it's tied to that managed Apple account for the whole lifetime of that managed Apple account. For things that are revocable, like those licenses, you have a little bit of leeway of how long can the app actually live on the device without a license. It is 30 days. So if you have something going wrong where maybe you lost access to your Apple business account, or maybe you're in a migration, or there's something, communication issues with your devices or your MDM or whatever may cause it, an app can live on a device for 30 days without having issues. After 30 days though, it will offload, so it'll still show up as grayed, and when you try to open it, it'll say an error along the lines of contacting your management server. So the 30 days is the important number to remember always if you are managing your licenses and making sure end users have no interruption. If you are moving things around, just make sure that you have everything in place before that 30-day window. And that's app management in a nutshell.